on puts on Apple. I had warned you guys that I was looking at this. Again, we have Apple here, we have Apple here, and we have Apple here, right? So both all along this line, but I'm also taking into account other factors. The NASDAQ with the parallel that goes back to COVID. I mean, so huge resistance there. Also the fact that the valuation on Bitcoin, on Apple has gotten way out of whack here. For a stock or a company that's growing at like 3 to 4% per year, it's trading at a 25 forward multiple. That is very, very extended for a company like that. And so there's multiple factors here, but just a heads up, I did pick up the December 2026s, and yes, that is quite a bit in the future, 2 years out, but they were only charging about a 10% premium. I think I paid $24.25, 35 cents, somewhere in that vicinity for these put options on Apple to give myself 2 years, meaning that if it just drops 10%, I'm basically break even by that point. And in my humble opinion, it will get much, much more than that to the downside. I would be looking initially at a pullback here to about 235. That'll be a nice little first area where you probably get a bounce. And then if it gets through that, you have upsloping trend lines right here. In fact, look at these two trend lines merging. So this is going to be major support at 235. The key is major support can work for a bounce, right? But then if it ever breaks, watch out below. That's where, when you break major support, that's where the trap door opens and it can come down very, very quickly.